I wanted to take a minute to unbox the August starter kit for new designers. So everyone can see what you get for the month of August. There's still several days left that you can participate for this particular starter box. And one of the surprises with the starter box is that you have an option to be able to purchase the Back to Business backpack. So we're going to get to take a look at the contents of this box together. So I sliced the tape down on this end. So I'm going to just open this up and let's see what we have in here. And there's going to be a lot of product. This is for all new designers for the month of August. So what you get with this month is 5 different chalk pastes in the various colors. So a good variety. You get a squeegee. You get a Chalk Couture apron. You get all of the stencils that come with it for the month. So you can see create, have courage and be kind, the no drama llama special for August, the wreath that you can do with an established date, happy masterpieces, and there's a lot of these. This particular stencil is great for mugs or coasters. I call it the outdoor series. And then you have Farm Sweet Farm, which can be done on pillows or as a chalkboard. So all of those stencils are included right there. You get a Chalk Couture card. You get a little bit more information on Chalk Couture, the startup guide. And then you get another stencil over on this side that if you want to become a Chalk Couture designer, it gives you the ability to create chalkboards with the logos and that on it for Chalk Couture. So that's that group. And then we have, they send you thank you cards. So if you hold any parties or workshops, you can thank your participants for coming. This Chalk Couture boutique board is great for the established stencil that's in here. You get the autumn winter collection for what is available design wise, and it shows you all the different designs that are available to do with the stencils. And then this is the only time this is being offered. It's the leather Chalk Couture backpack, and I'm going to just take this out of the bag here. And this is the first time I've seen this. Let's move this box down too so you can get a better look at this. It is all leather, and they've dubbed it Back to Business to coincide with back to school. So it's all leather again. It's got a great lining in it. It has these pockets where you can put your materials in, carry all your materials inside here, or just use it for travel, etc. Got the straps on the back. It's really, I don't know if it shows up as well on the video or not, but it is really a pretty piece of leather that they've put together with the gold insignia here for Chalk Couture. And then there's one more thing in this box that you get, and I'm going to just reach down and grab it here. You also get the frame to make one of your own chalks right away. These surfaces from Chalk Couture are really nice. They are done, I believe it's a ceramic coating on it, so it's a really nice surface. Plus the frames are really nice. I don't know if you can see the distressing in them, but it's a really nice frame. So you get all of this with the August box, and if you want to, you can add this on the backpack. It's a $90 backpack that you can add on to your August starter box for just $45. So a lot of merchandise in this. It costs $99 for the starter kit, plus if you want to add the backpack on, it's an extra $45, but you're getting all of the stencils, a frame, the other board here, your apron, you're getting 5 chalk pastes with the squeegee. This is what I started with, of course, without the backpack, and I'll tell you, there's so many things that you can do just with the starter kit. Between pillows, chalkboards, coffee mugs, coasters. It's a great way to get started in this. Even if you just want to do it for yourself, you get to get this wholesale. And if you want to just keep, you know, making projects and that for your personal use and for gifts, you can find that it's a very reasonable price. It's $19.99 a month to be a designer, and you can get all of the details on the site that I'm going to post in the message with this video. So take a look at it. Again, you have until the end of August to sign up for this particular starter kit and to have the opportunity to buy the leather backpack. So take a look, see what you think, and click on the link if you're ready to jump in and start trying this yourself. Thanks.